Welcome to Fun Fact Friday with Kaizen 724. Fun Fact Fridays are little gold nuggets to add to your treasure trove of knowledge and to make you interesting at parties. Because we all need to be more interesting at parties, am I right?
Hey, wait a minute. DJ, drop that disc one more time. All right, that's better. Are you guys ready for Fun Fact Friday? Are you ready for Friday? Let's kick it off and get it going. Fun fact number 1, seahorse couples dance together every morning, although it looks like this guy needs some manners and some lessons. All right, now fun fact number 2, Six Sigma was not invented by Sigmund the Sea Monster. No, it was invented by two gentlemen at Motorola named Mikkel Harry and Bill Smith. It was later embraced by well-known executive Jack Welch at GE, and that made it spread to the rest of the world. Our final fun fact has to do with the word party. Well, the word party comes from the word to part or to divide. And so as a noun, it typically means a group of people who've been divided off from the whole, as in a search party or a political party. And political parties, of course, they take sides on an issue, and so it implies being divided and divided off from the whole. So that's interesting. When we apply it as a verb, and we talk about having fun and going to a party, we're really talking about taking the side of fun. So if you go to a party, make sure you're fun, you're kind, and you're a good person to be around. All right, that's it for Fun Fact Friday. Let's go out there and make things better.